finally, we got our 8th Gen Civic SI for the R&D for the all-wheel drive. Big shout out to Hey Johnny. Hey
also
Johnny.
known as AKA Gucci. AKA Gucci.
Went all the way to Colorado for this.
Yeah, he drove by himself. Nuts.
So we flew him in, like literally, we didn't even tell him this until Monday. We flew him into Colorado the next day, which was Tuesday. He met up with Amy and started driving the very next morning and made it here last night.
Yeah, so
no time
Amy.
wasted.
Thank you, Amy, also for this car. It's gonna go into great use.
A lot of R&D is
we
going to be
really
survived.
needed it. So we've been looking. Finally, we got the one that we wanted.
All the
Yeah,
8
civil
Gen.
lifesavers, guys. Amy and Johnny, thank you guys.
Thank you guys. All the 8 Gen and 9 Gen guys. We will finally have one, so it's on now.
Yeah, the spindles is done. The spindle's done for this the hub to use our hubs and all that and everything. It's getting done now. The diff mount, the rear diff mount, it's actually finished already. We just need to put it up, make sure everything lines up, make sure the angles and everything's good, and then after that we'll go and do the front subframe.
And then
that's basically the kit for
then
8 and 9 Gen.
drop a drive shaft on and then just drive it. Drive it. So you guys stay tuned. We're going to show you guys step by step on the YouTube. We'll give our YouTube a follow. And yeah, it's finally here. Thanks again to A Johnny getting it and Amy.